We've all been there. It's Friday morning, your PC's taken half an hour to boot, your tea's gone cold when you've turned it off and on again, and now that it is working, every web page you need is taking 5 minutes to load. Sluggish performance like this can seriously hinder your ability to get things done. If you're experiencing slow performance, it's essential to diagnose and address the underlying issues properly. Otherwise, you end up in a vicious and expensive cycle. Here are 10 things to check if you feel like your systems are slow, covering aspects of connectivity, infrastructure, and hardware. Check your connectivity. Begin with a quick look at your internet connection. You can run a speed test with Ookla, which will tell you your download and upload speeds. Slow internet speeds can result from network congestion, bandwidth limitations, or connectivity issues. If you see slower speeds than you like, get in touch with Mason Infotech. As your business internet provider in Nottingham, Mason Infotech ensures you're using the right kind of internet product. Assess your network infrastructure. Evaluate your network infrastructure for bottlenecks or congestion points. Whether it's an outdated router, a switch without enough throughput capacity, or old-fashioned cabling, it can all hinder data transmission speeds. Investment in the right kind of IT infrastructure support and hardware can keep your network running smoothly over time. Monitor your bandwidth usage. If you've got an application or user hogging the bandwidth designed for the entire office, your network will come under strain and others will experience slow performance. Implement network monitoring tools to track bandwidth usage and identify the potential culprits. Review your firewall and security settings. Overly restrictive firewall settings or outdated security protocols can cause delays in data transmission. Work with your IT support professionals at Mason Infotech to review and optimize your firewall and security configurations for both protection and performance. While you're at it, check your server performance. Slow server response times can significantly impact overall system performance. Monitor your server resource usage, including CPU, memory, and disk I/O, to identify any bottlenecks or resource constraints. Optimize your software applications. Bloated or poorly optimized software applications can consume a lot of system resource and slow down performance on the rest of your network. Make sure to regularly update your software stack to ensure efficiency. And if you've got legacy software or older machines in the business, it's always worth double checking to make sure old systems aren't still running in the background. Assess the health of your hardware. Failing or underperforming hardware, like PCs with older hard drives or processors, can make users feel as if every task is sluggish. Conduct hardware diagnostics and then consider upgrading or replacing aging hardware as required. As a guide, we recommend replacing your PCs every 5 to 7 years. Check for malware. Malware infections or virus activity can degrade system performance as well as compromise your data security. Ensure you have EDR technology in place on every machine and implement security best practices to detect and mitigate potential threats. Review your system for updates. Shut down and update your machine once a week as a minimum. Unapplied system updates or patches can leave your systems vulnerable to security exploits and will impact performance. Regularly review and apply software updates to ensure optimal performance and security. Consider the cloud. Transitioning to a virtualized environment and cloud-based applications offloads the hardware resources from your machine. Consult with IT infrastructure support specialists at Mason Infotech to explore virtualization and see if it's suitable for your business. Addressing slow system performance can be a comprehensive activity, requiring you to consider connectivity, infrastructure, and hardware. But by evaluating these areas systematically, businesses can make sure that they aren't lagging behind and are achieving their potential without being hindered by slow systems. Leveraging IT support services from Mason Infotech and partnering with our business internet providers in Nottingham can provide the expertise and resources needed to diagnose and resolve performance issues effectively. Thank you for watching, and to learn more about connectivity solutions at Mason Infotech, click the link in the post above.